Oh my God, I saw this on the bed. Parang nakalagay. Ano ito? Ah, si Dada. Thank you very much. Gabing-gabi na kasi ako umuwi. Kaya ito na. Tingnan natin. Thank you. Ano nakalagay? Yung ginawa ito. You are all I need. Happy Father's Day to the best cat dad ever. Best cat. Walang pera. Dear Dada, it's the perfect day to let you know how much I appreciate you for all the little caring things you do. Happy Father's Day. Thanks for everything. Love, Mama Bethany and Boots. Yay! Well, thank you very much. Okay. Ganda naman ito.